Flipper.
Hey, how's it going?
We're gonna do some fishing. Where we're gonna do fishing, I don't know yet. We're just heading out. We have to be in a beautiful area near Desolation Sound, a place off of Quadra Island, off of Reed Island, near Cortez, but we're gonna go north and hopefully find a place called the Penn Islands. Maybe we get there, maybe we don't. I don't know. But let's go find some fish.
Let's go find some fish.
Let's find some fish. Here's one too. Oh, yours going? I think so. I don't know. I think I might have lost it. Oh, we got a double header maybe. Okay, bring yours in. Bring yours in. We're gonna fish this one and I can pass it to you. Yeah. Oh yeah, this is one's on.
That one's on?
It's on.
Oh, I think I did mine too late.
Come on, get over here. Hurry up. Put the hook in the water. Hook in the water. Hey. No, put the net down. Put the net down. You're fishing this one.
I'm fishing it?
Yeah, there you go. Keep the rod out here. Okay. Reel. I'll drive and I'll net. Sit down. All right. Let's go. Slippers on it. Shoot. Keep it going.
Yeah, try to not get reel up on the same side.
Okay.
Let this, use your pointer finger.
Okay.
Point, push it aside like this.
Don't stop. Oh, he's a flipper. Look like just like you. Ah. Oh. Here he comes. Got him. Woohoo! Holy. Let's check this baby out.
Good net. Let's go.
Let's
You
go.
really came in clutch with that net. Oh my gosh.
I came in over getting it in time.
Came in so clutch. I was like, I had no idea if you were gonna. I was like, I do not have control of this fish right now.
Woo!
Oh wow.
That's fishing with a Gilligan.
Oh,
And the flippers.
let's go.
Good job.
Oh man.
Oh, that's a nice one.
We got a fish on.
Yeah, look.
We got a fish on. Oh my gosh.
It's a nice one.
Okay. I got this.
Keep going. Go. Nice job. Yeah, we're on it. Another one. What? Coming at us or are you losing?
I don't know. I'm like, I don't feel anything.
Oh.
He got free. What is it?
It's not really taking a while.
Oh my gosh, you absolute animal. The Gilligan does it. And I got that on video.
Did ya?
Yeah, I got it.
I said stop recording.
It was-
GoPro,
it was
GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording. Well, we hit the Penn Islands, right, Flipper?
Yeah.
We hit the Penn Islands. We got some good fish. We got 3 keepers, but we had lots of different strikes, lots of different action, lots of different learning. Our battery's gonna die on the GoPro, and we're gonna make our half-hour trip all the way back to Quadra Island where we're staying and fillet some fish. So maybe we'll see that in a couple seconds. Got anything you want to say? You have a good day?
Beautiful day, can't complain. Wish I caught more, don't want to leave. All the good stuff.
Don't want to leave. We never want to leave.
Yeah.
On that note, watching other boats. Catch you later.